If you're looking for a Bluehost coupon code that actually works, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get the best available discount on Bluehost hosting. And I'll also share a few helpful tips to make sure you get your website set up the right way from the very beginning. Here's the thing. When you visit the Bluehost homepage directly, you'll only see their standard pricing, which is decent, but not the best deal you can get. If you want to save more, just use the special partner link I've included in the description below this video. That link automatically applies the highest Bluehost discount available right now. No promo code, no searching, no extra steps. All you have to do is scroll down, click the first link in the description, and you'll be taken to the Bluehost website where the discount is already active. Once you're on the site, you'll be able to choose from a few different hosting plans. If you're planning to build just one website, like a blog, a portfolio, or a small business site, the basic plan is a great place to start. It's affordable, easy to manage, and gives you all the essentials. But if you're selling products or need store features, the e-commerce essentials plan is a great pick. It includes WooCommerce, secure payments, SEO tools, and more. Ideal if you want a full online store setup from day one. Every Bluehost plan includes a free domain name for the first year, a free SSL certificate to keep your website secure, and a one-click WordPress installation. That means you can go from sign-up to live website in just a few minutes, even if you've never done this before. If you ever need help during setup or later down the line, Bluehost offers 24/7 customer support. You can contact them via live chat or phone, and their team is generally fast and friendly, especially helpful if this is your first time working with web hosting. One of the best parts about Bluehost is their 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you try it out and it's not what you expected, you can cancel within the first month and get a full refund. That makes it pretty much risk-free. Now, a quick heads up. During the checkout process, Bluehost may offer some optional extras like advanced security tools, SEO features, or branded email. These add-ons are completely optional. You don't need to select them to complete your setup, and you can always add them later once your site is live. Once you've signed up and your hosting account is ready, make sure to check out the next video I've linked here. It's a complete, beginner-friendly tutorial that will walk you through everything step by step, from setting up your WordPress site to publishing your first content. Thanks again for watching, and enjoy your Bluehost discount.